Welcome to our remote support office. Be great and enjoy your shift.
SimplyHome for a number of years has been a technology vendor that has provided technology to and for vulnerable populations. We are now a service provider that leverages our technology to provide remote supports, and we deploy remote services across the nation with notifications and alerts that are triggered by our sensor system.
Smoke alarm demo sensor has been activated.
To our remote center here in Tennessee, everybody wants to live their best life. Where we can come in and assist individuals is providing them that independence and not have to worry about anybody being over their shoulder.
We have 2, soon to be 3 forms of support. We have active, we have responsive, and then we kind of have on demand. SimplyHome remote support.
Hey, Lorianne, how you doing?
In terms of active, we will come in and support them as needed, when needed. Responsive, on the other hand, is 24/7. And then on demand, say there is an emergency and you don't have anyone to cater to those individuals that you were supporting in person, we'd just be ready to step in.
For people that we serve and support, all of them will have outcomes for their independence. What those outcomes look like, it varies from person to person. It's person-centered. Responding to alerts or doing check-ins with an individual who has active services in, let's say, the state of California, or responding to somebody who needs support out in New Jersey that just hits the button and wants to talk to somebody.
We're proving and showing that we can help support the support and even more empower the individuals that we serve.
Why Memphis? Memphis seems to be a central hub for technology. We live and work in a tech-first state. DDA has always really pushed and incorporated the technology initiative. So Tennessee seemed to be the adequate location.
Don't be afraid of the change. Don't be afraid of the technology. Don't be afraid to try something new.
Trust the process and try it out. There comes a lot of learning aspects to really build that trust. I would build a rapport with that family and those individuals and really demo it.
Flood sensor had been activated at the remote office.
Give them continuous education.
What we're doing for our clients is changing their lives. We're allowing them to feel what everyday life in an independent lifestyle can look like. That wasn't given to them once before. And with the technology and the support, we're changing that for them.